guys! So today I'm going to be bleaching my roots. It's been a long time coming. As you can tell, it's super long. My hair is super naturally dark and I'm both excited and nervous to do this because I feel like almost every time I bleach my roots something goes wrong, but I've been really wanting to do it, so I'm excited about that part that I'm finally doing it. So what I'm going to be using today, I usually use Schwarzkopf, I can't say that right, bleach, and I am using it today, but I got a new one and there's tape on it and I cannot get it off, but I'll just cut that off in a second. So this one is the Blonde Me Bond Enforcing Premium Lightener 9+ Dust Free Powder. It says it lifts up to 9 levels. I wanted to try this one. I don't know really the difference. I think this one is like a blue based powder, so it's a blue based powder, so it's going to take away some of the yellowish orange stuff, which for what I'm going, for the color I'm going for next, it doesn't really matter that it has that, but it's still nice that it'll hopefully have that. It's really hard for me to get a good blonde color for my hair. Ooh, that's strong. It's really hard for me to get a nice blonde color even when I tone it. It's just I guess cuticles in my hair or whatever are just really thick, so it takes a lot to go through it. And for the developer, I got the Blonde Me Premium Developer. I got the 40 volume.
I see those eyes and my walls come down. I've spent my life building around, yeah. Though I may try, I can't breathe when you're not around. I can't help it with what I found. You build me up, you break me down, and only you know how I've given up, I must confess. You are my weakness. you're not around. Yeah, I can't help it with what I found. You build me up, you break me down, and only you know how I've given up, I must confess. You are my weakness.
Okay, so I think it's good. Oh, it's hot. All right, I'm gonna go rinse it. Okay, so this is how it turned out. It is very blonde right here. It's almost like light. Excuse my kids fighting. I cannot. Oh, I just can't. Ignore this. This is my test strand. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that if you have not already, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time that I have new videos out. I'm planning on doing my hair a lot more, especially more than I did before, especially now that I have a completely separate channel for this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true.